Right, we're at 501 Washington in Minneapolis. Been on this in a while. Check out this elevator. MEI B. Got a single slide over here and a 2-speed door over here. Ooh. Here's your COP, 5,000 pound capacity, GL jet pulse buttons, MEI, ADA phone, those are innovation key switches that got added in. Okay. Oh, they changed this. 1, as high as we can go. Here we go. Here are 1, B. Door hold does not work. Let's get a cab view of this very interesting elevator. They have since redone this cab since I was last here. Got the very tiny single slide over here. Over here you got the 2-speed sliding door. This isn't the nicest cab in the world, but it is modern looking. Call buttons over here. The up lanterns are dead. One on 1. Phone already went out. So the only floor the other side opens on is L. Alrighty. Very interesting elevator. There it goes. Nice to check out on this one again, and that'll be it.